Okay, it's Halloween. Happy Halloween to everybody out there. And today was an unusually warm day, as you can see by these red colors here, the darker reds, oranges. Temperatures got into the 80s and actually a little higher than what shows on here. When this video was shot, it was warmer earlier. But we got a front that's going to work its way across tonight as the kids are walking around. This is around 8 o'clock, and basically you look across here, still upper 60s to 70s. So not a bad evening if they're going to be walking around this evening. Now, if we move this ahead to tomorrow in the morning hours, you can see here's around 6 o'clock in the morning. You can see it's starting to get cold. Look it up here in Canada, 40s. But you can see it getting cooler. 60s overnight is not bad for Jersey, Delaware, and eastern half of Pennsylvania. That's not bad at all for this time of year. And then as we scoot into tomorrow, oop, wrong button. We scoot into tomorrow. You can see in the afternoon, uh, 40s to the northwest part of the state and 70s in Delaware, Jersey, and southeastern, south central Pennsylvania. And big contrast across the state, and that's because we have a cold front coming across, and I will show you that in a second. So here's all your nice weather on the eastern coast here, and here's Pennsylvania up here, Jersey and Delaware in here, but here's that cold front. You can see it lining up here. If you look real closely along the edge here, there, you can see some wider or higher cloud tops as there are some thunderstorms that pop up ahead of it. But I mean, if you look at this picture really close, you can see the lighter blues where the water is nice and clear and shallow through here by the Bahamas. It's an interesting shot in case you're wondering. But yeah, there's your cold front. There's going to be a snowstorm up here. That cold air comes down. This is the backside of it. The first time I think we've seen this year. We have snow cutting across here and into Canada, and some decent snow. It's almost a foot or so of snow out here. So cold air and the snow is beginning to work its way down, but it's still got a little ways to go before Pennsylvania starts to feel any of that. And as you know, a lot of Pennsylvania needs rain, and it's been a long time. And if you look at this real close, this is tonight around 10 o'clock, and you can see here's a little bit of showers. Some yellows in here means that there'll be a little bit heavier shower as it moves. But as we go through the night, which has been the case, now this is around 1 in the morning. Here's 2. Here's 3 o'clock in the morning, and yep, you can see what's happening as it comes east, kind of falling apart. The Poconos, you get a little bit of rain out of this, and even down here towards York, you get a little bit of showers and sprinkles and things, but it just doesn't hold itself together. But if you look back behind here, now, as this comes through. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you look close enough, some of those are snowflakes, and during the day, it comes back to rain showers, but there could be some snowflakes mixed in off of the lakes because of the colder air. And this area is up here is tomorrow night around what would that be, about 5 o'clock, and you can see there are some snowflakes mixed in with the rain there. And then as we go into the nighttime hours, you can see here's some blues up here. You can see there's a little bit of a mix can come off of the lakes, but no accumulation anywhere. And then this takes you into Saturday morning around 7 o'clock, and maybe the extreme northern part of Wayne County. If you look close enough in here, let's see if I can zoom this in for you. And you can see there are a couple blues in the simulated radar here, which means that, there could be some snowflakes mixed in with the sprinkles and showers. So don't be shocked if you see that. And as you can see, this takes you to 11 o'clock, and there's still some sprinkles and some showers around coming off the lakes, but it's nothing accumulation-wise. And this takes you to about 1 o'clock in the morning, Saturday night into Sunday, and you can see there's not much there. Temperatures, we back this up. Let's see if we can bring this in. Here, this is Friday night, or Thursday night into Friday morning, and you'll see the front come across and kind of push, and temperatures drop pretty quick behind the front. But it's the morning hours. It takes all day Friday to come across the state. Now, this is around 6 o'clock, and you can see it's low 40s out there. There might even be some 30s by now. And all the warmer temperatures are confined to Delaware, New Jersey, and even Philadelphia. And here in Reading and Allentown, you're starting to drop. And then as you get into the nighttime hours, you can see the bottom kind of falls out. This is Saturday morning. You can see very cold, 30s mostly across the state. A couple of areas. This is like in the Susquehanna River Valley out here in western PA, and again, Jersey and Delaware and Philadelphia area. You get into the lower 40s, but elsewhere it drops all the way into the 30s Friday night into Saturday morning, and then Saturday during the day. Pretty chilly. It's about 38, 39 degrees up here towards Bradford. Even the Poconos are staying in the 30s. Temperatures elsewhere, upper 40s, lower 50s. And again, South Jersey and Delaware, you're in a little, you get that warmth down there. You're in the 50s, but a big difference from today as we go in, and as we go into the nighttime hours, into Sunday morning here. This is around 2 o'clock in the morning, Sunday night, Saturday night into Sunday, and you can see temperatures have already dropped below freezing in a lot of areas. There's 31 in Allentown, 33 in Reading, Wilkes-Barre 33, and this is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, and we haven't even gotten to the coldest part of the night. And there you see a lot of 20s. And you look at these darker colors here. This is low 20s in here. So some pretty chilly weather coming in. Big difference from the 80s that we've seen in a lot of areas today. By Sunday morning, we'll be in the low 20s in some of the northern areas up here. And then again, here's Reading. We'll be down 29. Lancaster 28. I mean, pretty chilly. Philly, you stay above freezing. Western PA, you stay above freezing. But pretty cold in between. So that's your forecast. Now, be some changes coming up. Going to have a live video feed this weekend on Saturday. I think it'll be Saturday about 4 o'clock. I'll do it. And it'll be some changes to the .com site. And we'll talk about the winter forecast. I'll be coming out with the winter forecast. I was going to do it tomorrow, but I'm going to post it because of work. I'm going to post it on Saturday the 2nd. It'll be my final call for the winter. So I'll do that on Saturday, and then I'll post it, and then a couple hours later, I'll go live around 4 o'clock or so, and we can discuss it if you want. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe out there. Happy Halloween.